Should you tell your boss you're using AI at work? Honest answer: check your company policy first, then use your judgment. Many companies now have AI policies. Some encourage it, some restrict certain tools for data privacy reasons. Some ban it entirely. If yours has a policy, that's your answer. If there's no policy, think about what you're doing with it. Using it to structure your thinking or improve your writing is generally fine. Putting confidential company data or client information into a public AI tool is where it gets risky. Use it smartly. Keep sensitive data out of public tools, and if in doubt, ask. Follow for calm, practical AI guidance.